Selamat pagi. Pagi ini kita akan berlatih pengucapan bahasa Inggris melalui beberapa cerita. Siapkan alat tulis Anda. Lalu simak video ini dengan baik.
3, 2, 1. Listen carefully.
A bad day at work.
Hello, my name is Sarah, and I'm a marketing manager at a busy advertising agency. I'm 32 years old, and I've been working in this field for over 5 years. I love my job, but some days are tougher than others. Let me tell you how was my day. I collapsed onto the couch, exhausted from a long day at work. My feet ached, my head was pounding, and all I wanted to do was relax. I let out a deep sigh, feeling the weight of the day's stress slowly lifting off my shoulders. I had dealt with difficult clients, met tight deadlines, and juggled multiple tasks all day long. As I closed my eyes, I couldn't help but think about all the things I still had to do tomorrow. The never-ending to-do list. The meetings, the deadlines. It was overwhelming, to say the least. But for now, I just wanted to forget about it all and unwind. I reached for the remote control and turned on the TV, letting the soothing sounds of my favorite show wash over me. As I settled in for the night, I felt my eyelids growing heavy and my breathing slowing down. Tomorrow would bring its own set of challenges, but for now, I was content to simply rest.
Hari yang buruk di tempat kerja.
Hello, my name is Sarah,
Halo, nama saya Sarah.
and I'm a marketing manager
Dan saya adalah manajer pemasaran
at a busy advertising agency.
di sebuah agensi periklanan yang sibuk.
I'm 32 years old,
Saya berusia 32 tahun.
and I've been working in this field for over 5 years.
Dan saya telah bekerja di bidang ini selama lebih dari 5 tahun.
I love my job,
Saya suka pekerjaan saya.
but some days are tougher than others.
Tapi beberapa hari lebih sulit dari hari lainnya.
I collapsed onto the couch,
Saya jatuh ke sofa.
exhausted from a long day at work.
Kelelahan setelah seharian bekerja.
My feet ached,
Kaki saya sakit.
my head was pounding,
Kepala saya berdenyut.
and all I wanted to do was relax.
Dan yang saya inginkan hanyalah beristirahat.
I let out a deep sigh,
Saya menghembuskan napas dalam.
feeling the weight of the day's stress slowly lifting off my shoulders.
Merasakan beban stres hari ini perlahan-lahan terangkat dari bahu saya.
I had dealt with difficult clients,
Saya telah menghadapi klien yang sulit,
met tight deadlines,
memenuhi tenggat waktu yang ketat,
and juggled multiple tasks all day long.
dan mengatur banyak tugas sepanjang hari.
As I closed my eyes,
Saat saya memejamkan mata,
I couldn't help but think about all the things I still had to do tomorrow.
saya tidak dapat menahan diri untuk tidak memikirkan semua hal yang masih harus saya lakukan besok.
The never-ending to-do list,
Daftar tugas yang tidak pernah berakhir.
the meetings, the deadlines.
Pertemuan, tenggat waktu,
It was overwhelming,
itu sangat melelahkan.
to say the least.
Untuk sedikitnya.
But for now,
Tapi untuk sekarang,
I just wanted to forget about it all and unwind.
saya hanya ingin melupakan semua itu dan bersantai.
I reached for the remote control and turned on the TV,
Saya meraih remote control dan menyalakan TV.
letting the soothing sounds of my favorite show wash over me.
Membiarkan suara-suara menenangkan dari acara favoritku membasahi diriku.
As I settled in for the night,
Saat saya bersiap untuk malam,
I felt my eyelids growing heavy
saya merasakan kelopak mata saya menjadi berat
and my breathing slowing down.
dan napas saya melambat.
Tomorrow would bring its own set of challenges,
Besok akan membawa tantangan sendiri.
but for now I was content to simply rest.
Tetapi untuk saat ini, Saya puas hanya dengan beristirahat. Ruang belajar Inggris.
The story of a proud boy. After weeks of hard work, the day had finally arrived. The day of the final semester exam results. Rico, a diligent and persistent boy, sat in his classroom with a racing heart. He had worked hard to achieve good grades, and now it was time to find out the results. When his teacher handed out the report cards, Rico felt a little nervous. He didn't know what to expect, but he was confident that he had done his best. When the teacher gave him his report card, Rico opened the envelope with a pounding heart. And then he saw it. His grades were excellent. He got A's in several subjects, and B's in the others. Rico felt incredibly proud of himself. He had worked hard, and the results were satisfying. Rico couldn't hide his smile when he saw his grades. He felt like he was on cloud nine. He immediately shared the good news with his friends, and they all congratulated him. When Rico got home, he immediately told his mother about his grades. His mother was incredibly proud of him and gave him a warm hug. "You've done your best, son," she said. "I'm so proud of you." Rico felt extremely happy and satisfied with himself. He knew he had worked hard, and the results were satisfying. He promised himself to continue working hard and achieving his goals. With a big smile on his face, Rico felt like he was looking at a bright future. He knew he had the potential to achieve great things, and he couldn't wait to see what would happen next.
Kisah anak laki-laki yang membanggakan.
After weeks of hard work,
Setelah berminggu-minggu belajar keras,
the day had finally arrived.
hari itu akhirnya tiba.
The day of the final semester exam results.
Hari pengumuman nilai ujian akhir semester.
Rico, a diligent and persistent boy,
Rico, seorang anak laki-laki yang rajin dan tekun,
sat in his classroom with a racing heart.
duduk di kelasnya dengan hati yang berdebar-debar.
He had worked hard to achieve good grades,
Ia telah bekerja keras untuk mencapai nilai yang baik,
and now it was time to find out the results.
dan sekarang saatnya untuk mengetahui hasilnya.
When his teacher handed out the report cards,
Ketika guru kelasnya membagikan rapor,
Rico felt a little nervous.
Rico merasa sedikit gugup.
He didn't know what to expect,
Ia tidak tahu apa yang akan terjadi,
but he was confident that he had done his best.
tetapi ia yakin bahwa ia telah melakukan yang terbaik.
When the teacher gave him his report card,
Ketika guru memberikan rapornya,
Rico opened the envelope with a pounding heart.
Rico membuka amplopnya dengan hati yang berdebar-debar.
And then he saw it.
Dan kemudian, ia melihatnya.
His grades were excellent.
Nilai-nilainya sangat memuaskan.
He got A's in several subjects,
Ia mendapatkan nilai A dalam beberapa mata pelajaran,
and B's in the others.
dan nilai B dalam mata pelajaran lainnya.
Rico felt incredibly proud of himself.
Rico merasa sangat bangga dengan dirinya sendiri.
He had worked hard,
Ia telah bekerja keras,
and the results were satisfying.
dan hasilnya sangat memuaskan.
Rico couldn't hide his smile when he saw his grades.
Rico tidak bisa menyembunyikan senyumannya ketika ia melihat nilai-nilainya.
He felt like he was on cloud nine.
Ia merasa seperti sedang berada di atas awan.
He immediately shared the good news with his friends.
Ia langsung membagikan kabar baik itu kepada teman-temannya.
and they all congratulated him.
Dan mereka semua memberikan selamat kepadanya.
When Rico got home,
Ketika Rico pulang ke rumah,
he immediately told his mother about his grades.
ia langsung memberitahu ibunya tentang nilai-nilainya.
His mother was incredibly proud of him and gave him a warm hug.
Ibunya sangat bangga dengan Rico dan memberikan pelukan hangat kepadanya.
"You've done your best, son," she said.
Kamu telah melakukan yang terbaik, nak, kata ibunya.
"I'm so proud of you."
Saya sangat bangga denganmu.
Rico felt extremely happy and satisfied with himself.
Rico merasa sangat bahagia dan puas dengan dirinya sendiri.
He knew he had worked hard,
Ia tahu bahwa ia telah bekerja keras,
and the results were satisfying.
dan hasilnya sangat memuaskan.
He promised himself to continue working hard and achieving his goals.
Ia berjanji kepada dirinya sendiri untuk terus belajar keras dan mencapai tujuan-tujuannya.
With a big smile on his face,
Dengan senyum yang lebar di wajahnya,
Rico felt like he was looking at a bright future.
Rico merasa seperti sedang menatap masa depan yang cerah.
He knew he had the potential to achieve great things.
Ia tahu bahwa ia memiliki potensi untuk mencapai banyak hal,
And he couldn't wait to see what would happen next.
dan ia tidak sabar untuk melihat apa yang akan terjadi selanjutnya.
Ruang belajar Inggris.
The English study room.
My day as a nurse. Hello, dear. My name is Rain. I'm a registered nurse working in a public hospital. Today, let me tell you about my day as a nurse. I wake up early in the morning, feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. As a nurse, I know that every day will be different. And I love the challenge of caring for my patients. After wearing my proud uniform, I head to the hospital. The smell of disinfectant and the hum of machines greet me as I walk through the doors. I make my way to the nurses' station, where I meet up with my colleagues. We review the patient charts and discuss the day's schedule. I check on my patients, making sure they're comfortable and receiving the care they need. Some are recovering from surgery, while others are dealing with chronic illnesses. I take vital signs, administer medications, and provide wound care. I also educate patients and their families on how to manage their conditions and prevent future health problems. Throughout the day, I work closely with the doctors and other healthcare professionals to ensure that my patients receive the best possible care. We communicate effectively, sharing information and coordinating our efforts to achieve the best outcomes. Despite the demands of the job, I find joy in making a difference in people's lives. Whether it's helping a patient recover from an illness or simply providing emotional support, I know that I'm making a positive impact. As the day comes to a close, I reflect on the challenges and rewards of being a nurse. It's a tough job, but it's also incredibly rewarding. I feel proud to be part of a team that's dedicated to caring for others.
Hari sebagai perawat.
I wake up early in the morning,
Saya bangun pagi-pagi,
feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day.
merasa segar dan siap menghadapi hari.
As a nurse,
Sebagai perawat,
I know that every day will be different,
saya tahu bahwa setiap hari akan berbeda.
and I love the challenge of caring for my patients.
Dan saya suka tantangan merawat pasien saya.
After getting dressed in my proud uniform,
Setelah berpakaian dengan seragam kebanggaan,
I head to the hospital.
saya menuju ke rumah sakit.
The smell of disinfectant and the hum of machines greet me as I walk through the doors.
Bau disinfektan dan suara mesin menyambut saya saat saya berjalan melalui pintu.
I make my way to the nurse's station,
Saya menuju ke tempat perawat,
where I meet up with my colleagues.
di mana saya bertemu dengan rekan-rekan saya.
We review the patient charts and discuss the day's schedule.
Kami meninjau grafik pasien dan membahas jadwal hari itu.
I check on my patients,
Saya memeriksa pasien saya,
making sure they're comfortable and receiving the care they need.
memastikan mereka nyaman dan menerima perawatan yang mereka butuhkan.
Some are recovering from surgery,
Beberapa sedang pulih dari operasi,
while others are dealing with chronic illnesses.
sementara yang lain menghadapi penyakit kronis.
I take vital signs,
Saya mengambil tanda-tanda vital,
administer medications,
memberikan obat,
and provide wound care.
dan melakukan perawatan luka.
I also educate patients and their families on
Saya juga mendidik pasien dan keluarga mereka
how to manage their conditions
tentang cara mengelola kondisi mereka
and prevent future health problems.
dan mencegah masalah kesehatan di masa depan.
Throughout the day,
Sepanjang hari,
I work closely with the doctors and other healthcare professionals
saya bekerja erat dengan dokter dan profesional kesehatan lainnya
to ensure that my patients receive the best possible care.
untuk memastikan bahwa pasien saya menerima perawatan sebaik mungkin.
We communicate effectively,
Kami berkomunikasi efektif,
sharing information and coordinating our efforts to achieve the best outcomes.
berbagi informasi dan mengkoordinasikan upaya kami untuk mencapai hasil terbaik.
Despite the demands of the job,
Meskipun tuntutan pekerjaan,
I find joy in making a difference in people's lives.
saya menemukan kegembiraan dalam membuat perbedaan di kehidupan orang lain.
Whether it's helping a patient recover from an illness or simply providing emotional support,
Baik itu membantu pasien pulih dari penyakit atau hanya memberikan dukungan emosional.
I know that I'm making a positive impact.
Saya tahu bahwa saya membuat dampak positif.
Like and subscribe if you like this video.